Hyundai launches Insteroid pure electric car, retro plus futuristic, combines gaming elements with street racing style. Hyundai Motor unveiled its new concept electric car Insteroid in Seoul on April 2. Inspired by the small pure electric SUV Inster, this concept car adopts a bold street racing style transformation and instantly catches the attention of car enthusiasts worldwide. Hyundai entrusted this cute compact SUV to a European design team, aiming to blend gaming elements with a highly customizable design. Insteroid features radical exterior designs such as a wide body kit, a large spoiler and racing tires, as well as a futuristic interior featuring bucket seats and a simple dashboard. Chief designer Eduardo Ramirez said Insteroid is a modern interpretation of the dream car concept. However, the interior design of the new car also retains a retro vibe. The collision of retro and future is eye-catching. Hyundai also plans to incorporate Insteroid into a self-developed video game that the public can experience via web browser. The all-new Inster EV will be Hyundai's fourth electric vehicle and is expected to be the brand's bestseller. Priced at 27.4 million won, approximately 135,000 yuan in South Korea, the vehicle is equipped with a 49 kilowatt-hour battery and has a range of up to 315 kilometers, South Korean market, or 355 kilometers, European market, according to the WLTP test standards. If you're interested in this concept car that combines gaming elements with street racing style, you can imagine, what would it look like if you could turn the game characters in Insteroid into real people? Now, Sohu Simple AI can help you realize your idea. Upload your favorite game or anime character and create a real-life photo with just one click. It's simple and fun to use. Whether it's a futuristic character from Insteroid or a classic character from other games, it can easily transform from virtual to real.